Hey guys, I can't do this. In this episode, we're gonna do a tire carrier. We're gonna build a tire carrier in the back. Okay guys, what we have here is a 1989 Ford Econoline. It's vanlife. So the customer is going to take it a good trips, you know, Moab and all that, but she needs to have a spare tire. That way, it's nice to have a spare tire. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to make some kind of bracketry and some kind of, that way the spare tire is right in here. Otherwise, she's like, I have to keep it inside, but inside is valuable space that she needs. So we're going to try to make something right here. I have some square tubings. I want to do some like an X situation and mount on the hinges, on both of these hinges, and kind of wrap around the door. That way it kind of pulls it in without drilling into the actual door itself. This is a budget build, so I have some scrap pieces of metal that I'm actually going to utilize. That way we can save as much money as we can. So I got some square tubing like I was talking about. Let's see if this will work. Yeah, this is plenty enough, so we'll cut this. I need to do like an X situation. That way it's going to be sturdy enough, and then the tire should be like right in the middle. Bam, X marks the spot. Woo! Let's do this. Yeah, bro?
Are you alright?
Carlo! We're going to do some angle cuts, and we're going to wrap around. Do a wrap around situation, that way around the door. Does that make sense, Carlo?
Yes.
Yes. So what we're trying to do is go crisscross and then have something come out, and we'll screw 2 bolts in here on both hinges. On the other side, it's going to be like a wraparound situation like this. Can you see that? It's got a curve to it. This actually looks nice. Got some brackets. I tacked a couple of them in. This one's going to come around the door. I'm going to cut some of the axis, do some more welding, and then I got another cross piece that I got to work with. Yeah, so I'll have 2 bolts here. Hold it down. Alright guys, we got the one triangular piece going, so I'm trying to figure out the other side that's gonna crisscross and hold the thing. So I got kind of tacked up, mocked up. So this is actually the other cross piece. So what I'm gonna do is kind of match it up right now. Do some tacks here, and then do another one, the bottom piece, and then take it off.
In every round, the forces struck me.
found a hole. We got a hole. The reason why it's taken so long to drill through it is obviously the hinge part of the steel has to be pretty strong, and obviously they don't make them like they used to, guys. I mean, this is a good old American steel, as some people will say Detroit steel. We've got our holes drilled. We're gonna take it off and weld it. Obviously there's more to do, but we're gonna just weld this, that way this is secure. And next step will be trying to measure the tire. Alright guys, we have this universal hole mount for all types of vehicles, and we're trying to figure out the depth and where to mount or place our mounting foundation. Perfect error. It. You know how when you put your hand in a glove, you know how it fits like a glove? This is it. It fits like a glove. I'm gonna put more supports. One little thing ain't enough, so I'm gonna do some situation like legs. So pretty much done here. All I'm seeing is like this big old openings that I have on the sides, especially on the visible area. So I made these little squares. So what I'm gonna do is actually weld them, weld like little plugs here. Alright guys, it's on solid, it's done. The final da-da-da-da. Oh yeah. I like it. Oh, wow. I mean guys, this was a fantastic experience making this thing, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Watch out now. Cause baby, I feel real good and I wish I would. Watch out now. It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good, baby. Watch out now. Everybody watch out.